tightening up the screws on this. And the main thing is just to make sure that your staples are short enough that they're not going to go through. The thing is, it's steel.
And those are
it's steel.
1/4-inch staples.
Just 1/4 inch.
That I bought at Walmart for like $2.50. So that's a good deal. They're cheap.
Yeah, because I got longer ones, a freaking 3/4, 1 inch. Oh, wait.
A lot of the stuff that needs to be done in here is really not that expensive to do.
Right.
The biggest expense is going to be the cord and the adapter, but Mike says he can get me those. So.
Now, I ran a regular extension cord from the house, from the garage in here, and the breaker keeps popping. So, what I understand, can't use a regular extension cord without being a certain amperage
No, you can't use a regular extension cord, period.
cord.
It has to be a 30 amp RV camper extension cord, and then you have to have a 30 amp to 120 volt / 15 amp converter cord that you plug one end into that, and then you plug one end into the house.
Okay, I don't know why.
Otherwise, you will never have electric in your camper.
It just
I
took me out.
actually spoke to the people at the RV place.
Well, did they explain that we plugged it into the garage and it worked fine?
Because you did not use an extension cord. You used the cord to the RV.
No.
You used my RV cord.
Right.
Well, now you're trying to use a regular household extension cord, which is not
Into the RV
yes,
plug.
but which is not made
Okay.
to accept my cord. My cord is 30 amps. A regular household cord is 15 to 20, which is why you keep on popping the breaker every time you try to use it.
Okay.
It will not work no matter what you do, no matter what you try, no matter what prayer you say, no matter how much you hit something. This ain't going to fix nothing because it's not going to work.
Well, it saved me from ripping the walls apart.
That's exactly why I double-checked it while you were in Georgia before you came out here and ripped my walls apart, and then I didn't fix it anyway, and then I had to put you in the pond, and, you know, it would just been real ugly, and I didn't want to have to do that.
Mm-hmm.
So I figured I'd
So I'm going to leave this out to you
save us some time.
to your vacuum cleaner. You clean all that out. It's all got glass in here.
I can't vacuum clean anything until I have electric, and I'm not on electric till the weekend.
Okay, well, we can do all that this weekend. Or are you going to be in here between now and the weekend? You're going to open the window between now and then? So,
Is that a piece of glass sitting on the edge of the window?
It sure is.
Could you pick that up and move it before it gets all over my newly sewn cushions?
Get the shot back down here. Yeah. Forgot I had the extension cord.
However, if we're going to do that, can you do me a tremendous favor before you do anything else?
Do that.
Pick up my brand new, freshly made cushion and set it over there on my bed.
Right. With my nice dirty hands. Not a problem.
How dirty are your hands?
Too late now.
Are they just dusty?
No, we got grease on them. See, everybody? See the grease on my hands? Now it's on her nice, redone cushions.
No, they're not redone. They're made from scratch,
Yes,
dude.
Yes.
Did you just get them all crappy?
I don't know. Let's see if my fingerprints on here. Alright, I'm going to get the shot back.
This doesn't belong to you. Quit ruining it. This is not yours.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, man, you're facing the wrong direction.
Oh, goody.
Great. Oh, no.
It won't come out, and I don't know how you took it out.
Alright,
I'm kind of scared to ruin it.
Yeah, don't do it. I got to get in there with
Okay,
the...
no, all right. I'll leave it.
I gotta get in there with
If you're capable of doing it for me and you don't mind, I'm
yeah, because
glad to have you do it.
these get old.
I'm glad
These
to
get
have
old
you do
and they
it.
get stuck. So
Nope,
what I
glad to have
found
you do
is
it, honey.
using a chisel in between the two there, and it separates it out there. Our little project is
Especially this one.
is putting the screens back here. Doesn't look like that even had anything holding it.
I
Okay,
know.
so gotta
What I'm saying.
disembark the
So what this one is
This,
done. All I have to do is put this thingy back on it and screw it.
yeah, we're gonna do it unless you want to buy a new one.
No,
Okay, we'll
I'm
just
gonna put a pencil eraser on the end of it until I can actually see if he has them in that old camper.
Okay, well, that's all you gotta do is just,
I feel no reason to spend money on stuff I don't have to.
okay. So just stick that in there. Okay, and just put your screw in there and it won't come back out. I don't know what this
I
guy.
don't need.
I don't know what this guy's doing out here. He's just flying over. I don't know what he's doing, but he's searching. It's like he's searching for something.
I thought last night that
Look at him.
you were coming home by helicopter because we had 3 of them out there
Look at him.
right over our field.
Look.
Yeah, I see him. What the hell is he doing?
You had somebody over your field? We
3
had somebody over the field.
helicopters right over our back field.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, he's definitely looking for something. He is down low.
You weren't here, obviously. You were still gone.
And he's taking off again. I wonder what he's looking for.
But we had 3 helicopters right up there over the back field. And it was just after you messaged me and told me that you got on. And I said, well, shit, I hope he's not coming home by helicopter.
Well, I wonder what he's doing because he's flying all over there. You said they were here last night looking.
Helicopter, but that's not a helicopter,
no,
is it?
but it's doing it's searching for something.
Now I just screw this?
Huh, yeah, just screw it in.
Okay.
Interesting. Well, they're not calling me. He's going way over there. I wonder if we got escaped convicts or something running around out here. That would be interesting. We should call the troopers and find out why they're flying around about my backyard. They'll be coming back. I got split off on my video here. Let me go back and do this. Is that a toe? Oh, I'm sorry. I just
that was a whole foot.
Oh my God.